What to do if your Android device won't download or install apps. So if you're facing a problem that your Android device won't download or install apps, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your settings at first. Under settings, you can scroll down and find the apps section. Now under apps, you can go with see all apps, and after that scroll down a bit and you will find Google Play Services or Google Play Store. You just need to simply tap on the Google Play Store and tap on storage and cache and then clear cache. Once you clear the cache, you can go back and then find the Google Play Services, and you can clear the cache for Google Play Services also. Now once you've cleared your cache, what you need to do is just simply go with permissions, and under permissions make sure that you're allowed all of the permissions that are right here. And after that, if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you can just simply go and restart your device, and after restarting, your problem might be fixed. Or even after restarting, if that doesn't fix, then it means that you have filled your phone with a lot of apps and you don't have any storage on your device. So in order to fix that problem, you can just simply go with the applications that you don't use and just uninstall the applications. Tap and hold on to that and then delete or uninstall the application. Once you've uninstalled a few applications, then you can restart your device, and after restarting, your problem will be fixed. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.